Only a few newcomers have passed the adventurer's trial. Let me take a good look at you.
Stop staring at us already!
Chill out! Just joking, all right? Congratulations! Only a few newcomers have passed the adventurer's trial. Let me take a good look at you.
Stop staring at us already!
Chill out! Just joking, all right? Congratulations! Don't forget to check your qualifications and rank up from time to time. Dean Armand sent word that you may now travel to Sage Forest. Go south to the station and take a cat carriage there. Don't be a stranger! I'll buy you malt juice next time!
Welcome! Ready for a delightful ride?
Clearance sale! Huge discounts! The debt-ridden Sir Hugo has escaped to Tierwoods! All his goods are on sale! Check it out! Don't miss this great opportunity! What's a merchant doing in the middle of nowhere? This must be a scam. Limited dried fish from the Royal Chamber of Commerce! Buy one and get one free! Oh, surely such a beautiful lady is no scammer! Oh, let me have a look!
It's getting late. Let's go home. Princess Scarlet is coming out to kidnap children.
Let her come! I have the dagger. I'll avenge Mom!
Not even the grown-ups can do anything. What can a kid like you accomplish? Listen to me.
I'm not a kid! And I'm not listening to you! Who are you? You look like you're up to no good.
Hi, kid. I'm a hero.
Don't call me a kid! I'll be 10 next week!
Mind your manners, pal. May we help you? Do you know Sir Adrian? Of course. He's the handsome lad in our village.
He's so annoying and old-fashioned. He doesn't let us do anything.
My brother is throwing a tantrum again. Please find my father, Carl. He is the village pharmacist. Tell them to take this disobedient kid home.
I'll get you sorted. It'll stop hurting tomorrow.
I was this close to meeting my demise. However, I got away in the end. Guess I lucked out.
Your leg will be fine tomorrow. You of all people know how good I am.
That's what worries me.
Excuse me.
Say hi all you want. Queue up if you need treatment.
You must be Penna's father. She asked me to find you because Pell wouldn't go home.
I'm really busy and can't leave right now. But I'm certain that the village chief will bring those two back.
If you keep this up, things will go wrong sooner or later.
Do you know where I can find Sir Adrian?
Sorry, I don't have time for this. I have patients to look after. Could you collect some mumble grass for me? We can talk shop once Benny has been treated. Very well. I shall await your return.
You seem busy all the time, but you're quick to ask others for help.
The mumble grass is guarded by grasslings, so be careful. And watch out for cats. They love mumble grass. Well, could you please hook some fish? I haven't eaten anything today.
Meow! Asking so much. I smell mumble grass. Meow!
I love this smell. I want to eat.
Mine! Oh, mine! Meow!
The herbs are for saving people, not for you. I want to eat. I want to eat.
What a stinky physician!
Ugh, he smells like strange medicine. He'll give the mumble grass an awful taste. Run!
I knew I could count on you! Now that I've got mumble grass, Benny, your wounds will heal by tomorrow.
I hope so.
You have helped me a lot. I must give you something to express my gratitude. I have a nice back accessory. It was a gift from a noble lady from the capital. She's a regular patient. You can have it if you're interested. I'm sorry that I'm too busy here. Could you go and fetch it over there?